Hello everyone, I'm Hassan Albana, and so today I have built the name app called Nexus CRM. It's a full stack lead management system for the sales team. So in this demo, I'll show you how the users log in and how they manage leads through the sales pipelines, and how they track performance on how what in the what state the process was there, and also the dashboards, and also collaborate with the nodes. So this app was created by with the React and on the front end, and Express Node.js on the back end, PostgreSQL for data, and JWT for the authentication I have used. So here you can see it is running on localhost. So here I have created the mockup data for the admin email, and also for the password. So when we created some password and emails like this, so no one else can log in without these kind of credentials. So let's wait. Yeah, so the login was successful. So in the behind of the scenes, the backend validation, the credential against the PostgreSQL generated a JWT token and stored it in the browser's local storage. So all future API calls, including these tokens, is all about to prove these authentications. So you can see the dashboard screen here. So here it gives the sale leaders a real-time view of the pipeline. At the top, we have KPI cards showing uh, the key metrics, and also 18 total leads. So here I have created 18 total leads mockup data, 3 brand new leads and 4 qualified leads, and we won 3 deals. Uh, you can see the percentage, 17 percentage. So win rate. Below that, the pipeline by status chart, you can see the charts that which is showing the distributions of lead across each stages. And you can see here the numbers: 18 total leads, 3 ones, and the 4 qualified, 3 ones deals, and the 17 percentage win percentage. So all these, the lead source chart. This is the lead source chart. So here you can see the lead source chart. So you can see how many LinkedIn, the leads come from LinkedIn and social media, cold emails, website 3, referrals 3, and events 3. So this is how we can just get the idea of where they come from. So something like that. And so this lead activity area chart tracks new lead volume over time, and the team performance section shows each salesperson's pipeline and win rate. For example, so the Sarah Johnson, you can see the Sarah Johnson, she has a one 320k dollars. So something like that. Won 2 deals out of 6 with the pipeline values of 298k. So you can see the Sarah Johnson here, Emma Williamson 0. So now let's move on to the leads page. So here you can see all the leads details here. Yeah, here you can see. So see the names of the leader and the status he's qualified or new or lost proposals and contacted, source where he come from, assigned, who is assigned for him, and the value he earned and created. The lead was created, date, and the actions. So if I click the leads page here, when I click the Richel Moore, he's the lead I have clicked. So he is qualified, and you can see the deal values 92k he earned, and the score is 83 percentage. So we can add a note like call the manager or something like that, and if we enter the note, then he will notice the note. And also you can see the messages that he just got the message. So if we want, we can edit, we can change the status, proposal sends, new, qualified, contacted, quality 1. So something like that. So, and also you can see something called filtering option. So we have the filtering option, so we can just filter by new, contact, qualified, proposal, sends, lost. So if we get the lost details, so we can clearly see the leads who has lost, something like that. Yeah, we can see the Paul Anderson lost social media as an Emma and 55K values of that one. So Frank Jason also lost, so we can clear the filters and lead source. So where he come from. So those who came from the LinkedIn, so something like that. So assigned to salesperson, we can check with the salespersons also. So that's kind of things. And if we want to add a lead, so we can add like so we can add a company. So we have to add the phone number. So we have to add the Gmail, and after that the source where he come from. So I just website. So deal value 55,000. So pipeline stage qualified and signed to James. So create the lead. So after creating the lead, you can see my name on the top of this status. So I have to clear all the filters. So you can see my name and the company and the details of mine status sources and values created. So if I want to check, so if I want to send any messages and notes, so I can send it to through this activity. And you can see the pipeline. So this is all about drag and drop scene. So you can drag and drop like this content. So this is how it's easy to create the things like this proposals, and all the details are here. So if we want, we can add the lead for this proposal, and these kind of things we have created in this sales management access CRM sales platform leads. So now let me explain this text state. So the front end is React 18 with Vue for the fast development and builds. So the React uses temp stack query for the server state, and the stands for authent state. This styling is style1 CSS for the UI that the beautiful UI that you're seeing, the minimalized UI. So the front end talks to the backend through OVT proxy in development, which is forwarded to API request to the local host 5000. So now I would like to open the console. So the backend is Node.js with Express. So it has rules for authentications, leads, nodes, dashboards, and analytics and user management. All the endpoints are protected by JWT middleware. You can access a lead without a valid token. So like what I used for the created token. So leads, nodes, and activity logs. So no one can access. So, and also the dashboard is we have created from PostgreSQL, and it stores users, leads, nodes, and activity logs. So on startup, the backend automatically creates the schema and sees 18 demo leads across all pipeline stages. So this is like it's a production ready architecture that scales. The front end can be deployed to Vercel or to the Firebase. So the backend to render or railway. So in the database to manage PostgreSQL services like Neon, they have demonstrated the full stack development of the Nexus CRM, also authentication method, CRUD operations, real-time dashboards, and also the professional UIs. So that's next CRM. So thank you for watching.